Most people discard onion peels, but they can be easily turned into a powerful remedy that also prevents the deadliest diseases. Onion peels are packed with nutrients, including vitamin C, B6, K, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. The nutrients, together with powerful antioxidants, quercetin, and other polyphenols, boost the immune system to fight off infections. Onion peels also contain sulfur compounds, which help prevent cancer. Quercetin and camphorol kill cancer cells when they form tumors. The polyphenols in onion peels also improve digestion, reduce swelling and pain, and prevent heart disease by reducing inflammation, help reduce blood pressure by dilating and relaxing blood vessels, and help lower blood sugar levels. So drink onion peel tea regularly for improvement in your overall health. You can also use the tea as tonic by applying it to your skin to reduce itching for athlete's foot or acne. To make the tea, wash onion peels from 1 large or 2 medium onions and steep them just like you would steep green tea. Boil water and let it cool down to 80 to 90 degrees Celsius or 176 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, which takes about 3 minutes to cool down. Pour the water over the peels and let it steep. Onion peel tea sold in Japan suggests steeping for 1 to 2 minutes. Other recipes suggest simmering the peels for 10 to 15 minutes. I personally was pleasantly surprised by the taste of the tea. It actually tastes similar to unsweetened black tea. It doesn't smell or taste like onions at all.